Hey, it's Ilse from DeskTime. In this video, we'll talk about how our DeskTime reports and exports can help you gain deeper insights into your team's work habits. Tracking your team's working hours every day generates a ton of data about their productivity habits. In the DeskTime Reports section, you can view and compare this data, either for the whole team or for specific employees. The data you see will depend on your DeskTime user role. If you're the company owner or admin, you'll see reports on the whole organization. If you're a user admin or manager, you'll only see reports about the teams you manage, whereas employees will only be able to view their own personal reports. If you're not sure what your DeskTime user role is, go to Settings and select Profile. Here, you'll see your assigned role. DeskTime reports can help you spot overall productivity trends in your organization. For example, how much time goes into meetings, which teams regularly work overtime, or which projects take up the most time. However, if you need to download DeskTime data about your team, you can easily do this in the Exports section. DeskTime exports can be a helpful tool for automating processes related to legal requirements or billing precision. For example, if you're located in a country like Poland or Slovenia that requires employers to keep a log of their employees' working hours, DeskTime exports will be an extremely useful way to streamline this process. You can also share these exports with clients to show proof of work and issue accurate invoices. To download DeskTime data, go to the Exports section. Select the export you want to download and click Generate. Add the export title, period, team members you want to include in the data, and choose the format. Click Create Export. Once your export is done, you'll be able to download it here. Remember, if it includes a large amount of data, it might take a while for your export to be prepared. And there you have it. Do you have any other questions about using DeskTime exports and reports? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye!